array problem today called replace elements with the greatest elements on the right side. So basically you are given an array of integers and replace every element in the array with the greatest element among the elements to the right side, and the last element should be -1. So basically you should replace all these elements with the greatest element on the right side. So if you see the greatest element of the right side of 17 is 18. So here it's 18. Now the greatest element to the right side of 18 is 6, right? So here it's 6. Greatest of 5 is 6. So here is 6. Greatest of 4 is 6. Here is 6. Greatest of 6 to the right side is 1. So here is 1. And the last element, there is no other element on the right side. So it's -1. So basically you need to do this. So, basic approach like brute force is to just run two loops and check for every element which is the greatest for in the remaining element, but that would be n square, and just we wanted to do in n order of n. So what we'll do, we'll traverse backward and we'll store the first element in the result as -1. We'll be changing the original array only, and then what we'll do, we'll just keep track of max till now in a variable, and just putting max here, and then we just go backward till the zeroth index. Yeah, so let's start. What we'll do, we'll just first check the length of this. So first to, we're just storing the length. This is the array dot length. Then what we can do, we can just for now we can just take a max variable and store the value of the last index as of now. So the max should be the last element of the array for now. And what we can do, just replace the last element of the array with -1, because we know that the last would be always -1. So that is the case. Now what we'll do, we'll just run a loop. So we'll run a loop for from let's suppose a loop variable that we initialize with I equals to n minus 2, because the last element we stored the -1, so we'll just storing the element from 1 before the last element, and then we'll run a loop. So while I is greater than equals to 0, and what we'll do here, I minus minus. So what we can just store this variable uh, in a temp, the current index, and then just what are the max till now we have, we can store it to this element, and just need to replace max. If the max is less than the number that we got, just replace your max, and at last just return the array. Okay, so this should be fine. Let's check. Okay, so first is working. Let's check for another test cases, all of them. Yeah, it's accepted. We'll just check the number of test cases. Yeah, all test cases pass. Cool. Thanks.